Guess what? It's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
It's not actually my birthday, it's Elementor, and they're celebrating their 8th anniversary. Yeah, I get it. You're probably wondering, who cares? What's that got to do with me, you, and everyone else in the world? Well, this is why. Because they're giving you a special discount up to 75% across their hosting, page builder as well. And I recommend you definitely go and look at this. If you've been following our videos, you know we use Elementor Pro quite a bit. So if you haven't got Elementor Pro, or your clients have, or your agency, then you're missing out. There's a wide range of options when it comes to getting Elementor Pro, and if you're just working for yourself or your business, you could go for the essential package where you get 16% off. But I'm telling you now, if you're ever considering adding in a bit of WooCommerce and messing around with so many widgets, and Elementor have got new stuff coming out as well, and I definitely recommend you should start with the advanced package. You are getting a 10% discount, and you do have a license for 3 sites. Believe me, if you're working on your own or multiple websites, going just for the essential could be a bit of a bad move, and I'm saying that in a nice way. So I recommend you start with the advanced. But if you are trying to branch out with loads of clients and you're going to provide a pro license for them as part of a maintenance package, or maybe you're planning to build loads of websites, then you definitely might want to have a look at the expert when you get 25% off, and you can get that for the next 7 days. There's a pretty good chance that most of you have already got an Elementor Pro license, but maybe you started off with just 1 license or 3 licenses, so now's a great time for you to upgrade up. Or maybe you're one of those people where you're still unsure about what kind of hosting platform to go for, where Elementor have decided to knock down their hosting packages as well. And if you haven't got Elementor Pro, and you haven't got the hosting, then these deals really speak for themselves, because when you sign up for the light, the basic, the business, or the grow, you're going to get your Elementor Pro licenses as well. So if you really care about having storage and backups and SSL and so much more, why would you not want to go and sign up? So hey, look, I'm Imran Web Squadron. Elementor are celebrating their 8th birthday. They have got hosting and page builder packages ready for you to sign up and get a nice hefty little discount. And of course, there are links in the video description. And hey, I use Elementor Pro all the time, okay? So I would not be recommending it to you if I did not talk the walk and walk the talk. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.